if I can sell it. Everything must go, preferably in pairs. And with a warranty, I definitely wrote myself. I got low-mile jets with a patriotic lean, battle-tested wings and a showroom sheen. Some came down, but that's no defeat. That's limited edition curb appeal with a side of smoke and a little more heat. I got bases with open floor plans, natural light where the hangar once ran, crater amphitheaters, rubble front view, all priced to move with a minor apocalypse hue and a complimentary excuse. Pistol Pete's Pearly Emporium, where every loss comes back in stock. You say wrecked, I say refurbished. You say hit, I say that's why it's marked down a lot. Pistol Pete's Pearly Emporium, sign right here and praise the plan. If it's still smoking, it's still selling, step right up, we'll call it artisan from a man. This ship comes with a laundry bay, skylight, smoke-tested linens, and an ocean breeze. No dirty laundry on this deck, folks, just premium ventilation fees and a waiver if you sneeze. I got slightly damaged freedom crates, blessed by flags and clearance rates. If it broke, it's a feature now. If it burned, that's rustic charm and a very strong aftertaste somehow. Pistol Pete's Pearly Emporium, where every loss comes back in stock. You say wrecked, I say refurbished. You say hit, I say good luck and a padlock. Pistol Pete's Pearly Emporium, no refunds, no looking back. If it's still smoking, it's still selling, put a halo on the crack.